In this video, we will take a detailed look at Module 3 of the Common Technical Document, which focuses on quality. Module 3 is considered the backbone of the pharmaceutical dossier. Module 3 provides complete information about the quality of both the drug substance and the finished drug product. It ensures consistency, safety, and compliance with the regulatory standards. Module 3 is divided into structured sections. The most important sections are 3.2.S, which covers drug substance, and 3.2.P, which covers the drug product. In accordance with the ICH M4Q guideline, Section 3.2.S provide detailed information on the drug substance. Section 3.2.S.1 includes general information such as nomenclature, structure, and physiochemical properties. Section 3.2.S.2 describes the manufacturing process, manufacturers involved, flow diagrams, and process controls. This section should align with principles outlined in ICH Q7 for GMP guidelines of APIs. Section 3.2.S.3 covers characterization, including impurity profiling and elucidation of structure. Section 3.2.S.4 describes control of drug substance, including specifications, analytical procedures, validation data, and analysis results, means batch analysis results. Section 3.2.S.5 includes reference standards used for testing. Section 3.2.S.6 explains the container closure system used for storage. Finally, Section 3.2.S.7 contains stability data generated as per ICH Q1A stability guidelines, supporting the retest period or shelf life of the active substance. Section 3.2.P provides comprehensive information on the finished drug product in accordance with ICH M4Q. Section 3.2.P.1 includes description and qualitative and quantitative composition of the formulation. Section 3.2.P.2 describes pharmaceutical development, including formulation development, compatibility studies, and justification of excipient selection. Risk-based approaches be aligned with ICH Q8 principles of pharmaceutical development. Section 3.2.P.3 covers manufacturing process and process validation. Process validation concepts align with ICH Q8 and Q11 where applicable. Section 3.2.P.4 provides specifications and control of excipients. Section 3.2.P.5 includes finished product specifications, analytical methods, validation reports, and batch analysis data. Section 3.2.P.7 explains container closure system suitability. Finally, 3.2.P.8 includes stability studies conducted as per ICH Q1AR2 guidelines. Stability studies must be conducted as per ICH Q1AR2 for climatic zone 4B regions such as Sri Lanka, Long-term stability is typically conducted at 300 degrees C and 75% relative humidity. Accelerated stability is conducted at 40 degrees C and 75% relative humidity. Stability protocols must include testing intervals, specifications, and acceptance criteria. Data must support the proposed shelf life and storage conditions. Statistical analysis may be required to justify shelf life extrapolation. Section 3.2.a includes appendices such as facility information, equipment details, and safety evaluation of materials of animals or human origin. Section 3.2.r contains regional specific requirements. These vary depending on the regulatory authority and may include executed batch records or additional validation data. As per the CTD format defined by the International Council for Harmonization of Technical Requirements for Pharmaceuticals for Human Use, Module 3 focuses entirely on quality documentation. This diagram represents the overall structure of Module 3. At the top, we have CTD Module 3, Quality Documentation. This module ensures that the product is consistently manufactured and controlled according to appropriate quality standards. On the left side, we have the drug substance section, which corresponds to 3.2.s. This includes general information about the API, manufacturing process flow and flow diagram, characterization and impurity profiling, specifications and analytical validation, stability data supporting restate period. This section demonstrates complete control over the active pharmaceutical ingredient. Next, we have the drug product section corresponding to 3.2.p. This includes formulation composition, pharmaceutical development, manufacturing process and controls, finished product specifications, stability studies supporting shelf life. This section proves that the final product is safe, effective, and reproducible. The appendices section includes supporting documentation such as manufacturing facilities and equipment, safety evaluation for materials of animal or human origin, additional technical information required for quality assessment. Finally, the regional information section includes country-specific requirements. These may include executed batch records, process validation data, additional documentation required by individual regulatory authorities. So, overall, Module 3 is structured to provide complete transparency on how a product is developed, manufactured, controlled, and maintained throughout its life cycle. This structured approach ensures global harmonization and regulatory consistency. Regulatory authorities frequently raise queries related to impurity profiling and justification limits. Incomplete or insufficient process validation data is another common issue. Stability commitments must align with ICH requirements. Specifications must be scientifically justified and not arbitrarily set. Consistency across development, manufacturing, and stability sections is critical. In the next video, we will explore Module 2 summaries and how they connect to Module 3. Subscribe to Dossier Desk for more regulatory info. Thank you for watching.